In this tutorial, I will show you how to get rid of sticky walls. If you jump and press the move arrow or button, the player will stick to the wall. The solution is very simple. We need to create 2D material, go to Create, 2D, Physics Material 2D. I will call it Slip. Then set friction to 0, select the player. You can see that the rigid body 2D component has the material field. Drag the slip material. Note that colliders also have the material field, so you can use the material in rigid body or colliders, it doesn't matter. Let's try it. The player can't stick to the wall anymore. Great, thank you for watching.